Trains come in all shapes and sizes, but some truly push the boundaries. From underwater adventures to magnetic levitation, the world of railways boasts some incredible feats of engineering. Buckle up and get ready to explore the luxurious carriages of the Seven Stars in Japan, dive beneath the waves on a Japanese bullet train reimagined for the seas, or hurtle through Shanghai at record speeds on the world's fastest maglev train. This is just a taste of the extraordinary experiences that await on these top 7 most unusual trains. Brennans Gyromonil. Brennan's Gyromonil was an early 20th century invention designed to be a single-tracked railway system. Unlike traditional trains that use 2 rails, Brennan's monorail could operate on a single track. This would have significantly reduced construction costs. The car used gyroscopes, which are spinning wheels that resist changes in orientation. These gyroscopes kept the car upright on the single rail, even when taking corners. The full-size prototype, built in 1909, could carry 50 passengers. While the gyroscopic monorail was a clever design, it never achieved widespread adoption. There were a number of challenges, including the complexity of the gyroscopic mechanism and the limitations of the technology at the time. SkyTrain. The SkyTrain is a medium-capacity rapid transit system serving the Metro Vancouver region in British Columbia in Canada. It has 79.6 kilometers of track and uses fully automated trains on grade separated tracks running on underground and elevated guideways. This allows SkyTrain to hold consistently high on-time reliability. The SkyTrain system is the longest fully automated driverless system in the world. There's also a SkyTrain system in Bangkok, Thailand, called the BTS SkyTrain, which is a major part of Bangkok's public transportation system. Finally, there is a new magnetic levitation train being tested in China that is called the SkyTrain. This train is suspended under the rails and uses magnets to levitate and propel itself. This is a new technology that is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize transportation. Sheenn Zeppelin. A Sheenn Zeppelin, also known as Rail Zeppelin, was a concept for a wind-powered train designed by the Austrian engineer Ludwig Krokzinski in the early 1930s. It aimed to combine the efficiency of a propeller-driven aircraft with the tractability of a train. The design featured a cigar-shaped car with propellers at each end mounted on a conventional railway chassis. The propellers were powered by electric motors, which would draw electricity from an overhead wire. The Sheenn Zeppelin was intended to be lightweight and aerodynamic, allowing it to achieve high speeds on existing railway tracks. While prototypes were built and tested, the Sheenn Zeppelin never went into full production due to several challenges. One major hurdle was the technical difficulty of maintaining stability at high speeds, especially on curves. Additionally, the concept proved to be too complex and expensive to develop compared to conventional trains. Ferrobus, South America. A Ferrobus in South America is basically a bus that's been modified to run on train tracks. They often use old bus bodies, like Dodge or Mercedes-Benz models, that have been adapted to work on railway lines. This makes them a more affordable way to provide train services, especially in remote areas of the Andes Mountains where there might not be good roads. Ferrobuses are a great way to see the sights of South America. You can even find some routes that can go through spectacular scenery like the Andes. Wuppertal, Schwebebahn, Germany. The Wuppertal Schwebebahn, also known as the Wuppertal Suspension Railway, is a unique and historic transportation system in Wuppertal, Germany. It is the oldest electric elevated railway with hanging cars in the world, having begun operation in 1901. It travels 13 kilometers through the city, offering riders a view of the Wupper River and the city below. The line runs mostly above the river at a height of about 8 to 12 meters above the ground, offering scenic views, with only 4 of its 20 stations on solid ground. More than 80,000 people use the Schwebebahn on a daily basis, making it an important part of the city's public transportation system. The brainchild of engineer Eugen Langen, it was originally called the Eugen Langen Monorail Overhead Conveyor System. It played a crucial role in the development of Wuppertal by connecting previously separated towns along the Wupper River. DMV Road-Rail Bus, Japan. The DMV Road-Rail Bus, also known as the dual-mode vehicle, is the world's first operational bus that can function both on roads and train tracks. It operates in Japan's Shikoku Island, specifically connecting Kochi and Tokushima prefectures. It aims to revitalize rural areas with declining populations by offering a unique and convenient transportation option. The base vehicle is a modified Toyota coaster bus equipped with retractable train wheels. The DMV was specifically designed with seniors in mind, offering easier boarding and disembarking compared to traditional trains. It has become a bit of a tourist attraction itself, drawing visitors curious about this unique mode of transportation. The success of the DMV paves the way for more development in dual-mode vehicles. These could potentially improve public transportation options in rural areas facing similar challenges as the Asa Coast region. Katoomba Scenic Railway, Australia. The Katoomba Scenic Railway, also known as the Scenic Railway, is part of Scenic World, a family-owned tourist destination located in Katoomba in the Blue Mountains, about 100 kilometers west of Sydney, Australia. It is most famous for being the steepest railway in the world according to the Guinness Book of Records. The railway was originally built in the late 1880s as part of the Katoomba mining tramways to transport coal and oil shale. Today, it operates as a popular tourist attraction that offers passengers a thrilling descent into the heart of the Jamison Valley, featuring stunning views of the ancient rainforest. The Scenic Railway travels at a maximum incline of 52 degrees over a distance of 310 meters. Passengers can choose their level of adventure by adjusting their seated position up to 20 degrees. They can pick Cliffhanger for a steep 64 degrees incline, Laid Back for a more relaxed journey, or Original for a ride that replicates the experience at the railway's original 52 degrees incline. At the bottom station, passengers can explore the rainforest via the Scenic Walkway, which is a 2.4-kilometer trail.